yeah, so basically I'm gonna go check out a combine harvester that is gonna harvest our field because it's harvest season here. It's very windy, sorry for the audio quality. I need a new mic. Basically, I need to search for a red combine harvester. It's called Bison Z056 or a Bison Z056 Super. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard to find it. Can't see anything except an MTZ82. So I found the combine, but I wasn't allowed to record any footage of it. So yeah, right now I gotta clean, repair some stuff, some trailers to hold the grain in them. That's gonna be a small job. And probably fix the stable doors. Yeah. So basically we're gonna have to fix those doors here because your door is too thick and it's too heavy because it's too old. And we're gonna have to put some planks at the back of this and fix this. Right now I am eating dinner. Basically the harvester is gonna come tomorrow at 1 or 2. Yeah, we're not gonna fix the stable doors because there's no point. Also, yeah, it's pretty late. Good night. I basically have this whole bed for myself. Yeah, and this old TV. Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna harvest the field, and we still need to fix the trailers, which is gonna be a lot of work. And yeah, did I mention to you how beautiful it was in the mornings here? It's like the most beautiful time. Boy. Oh, this morning was a weird morning. Even though I'm using a spaghetti bowl for a tripod. So I made Polish breakfast with some English tea. I by a Polish company. Yeah. I'm dying at 5 AM, no one's awake. So I gotta give water to the chickens today. And they're already breaking into the grain. What are you doing? Yeah. Oh yeah, I built this yesterday for the grates. Because why not? Alright, the job is finished. Yeah. It's really cold. Not as cold as in Ireland, but still. So just forgot my camera. We started refueling the tractor. The first trailer is on. I don't know if we're gonna use the second one because there are 2 wheats, barley. Boy, I don't remember my wheats in English. So yeah, that's happening. So we did put 2 planks on a tractor. Yeah, and right now we're not on the tractor, on the trailer. Right now we're just putting the second trailer down there. It is, if you can see it. Yeah. So basically, I'm in a trailer, and if you saw from the last clip, I was putting a large foil piece on another trailer because, yeah, the planks are a bit too much away from each other and the grain can spill. Yeah. So everything is going really good. We are finished putting the foil over this trailer. This trailer, we have the planks. We're gonna put all the grain at the very end so everything doesn't spill. Yeah. Then we have the tractor T25A with a Ursus C360 cabin modified. Now I have to wait around 3 to 3.5 hours for the combine to come. A lot of waiting. Kill me. It as well. Just climb inside here because I'm retarded. Hi guys, I am in the trailers while the tractor is riding. I am really cool. I don't know, I might not be. It is too loud, I need a microphone. Oh shit. So right now I'm in this trailer with the Max thing. Yeah, I'm waiting for the combine. Waiting sucks. Why are we going through here? There's literally a road down there. Why did we go through here? Excuse me? I don't think we're actually gonna go in there. Uh-oh. when the combine was popping the grain into the, you know, into the little thing. And yeah, I'm all dirty now. So we actually did do the harvest. We were in the combine, and yeah, you know, seriously, for today I'm going to take a shower because when the combine was pouring the grain back into the stable, all of the dust went on me, and yeah, it's itching so hard. Also, the combine went over the, you know, corn. So see it. Yeah, so I just wanted to say that now there will be way more vlogs and clips of the tractors inside of my videos, because you know what, more tractor work and stuff. Also, yeah, just see you next vlog, subscribe and like. Isn't it funny how I started a vlog on a bike and I ended it on a bike? Yeah, seems very weird to me. Shit, but
oh fuck.